Welcome to Delft Stack. In this video, I will show you how to fix the ERR unknown URL scheme error on Android using simple steps. This error usually appears when a link tries to open an app or protocol that your phone cannot handle. It can happen in browsers like Chrome or inside apps. First, start by clearing your browser data. Open Chrome, tap on the three dots, go to Settings, then Privacy and Security, and select Clear Browsing Data. Choose Cache and Cookies, then Confirm. This removes broken or outdated data that may be causing the issue. Next, check if the problem happens while installing an app. If yes, you may need to allow installation from unknown sources. Go to your phone settings, then Security or Privacy, and find Install Unknown Apps. Enable permission for the app you are using, such as Chrome or your file manager. Before moving further in settings, keep in mind that every Android brand has different placement of features, so find these options according to your mobile phone. Finally, make sure your apps are updated. Open the Google Play Store, search for Chrome and Android System WebView, and update them if updates are available. Updates often fix bugs related to this error. Thanks for watching.